In this video, we're going to take a look at how to share a TikTok video on WhatsApp. So if that sounds like something you're interested in doing, stay tuned. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the YouTube channel. I'm creating a playlist with all awesome TikTok videos, so be sure to check that out and subscribe. So let's get stuck into it. Below we have one video, so this is going to be the video that we're going to use to send to WhatsApp. So the first thing we need to do is click on it. Now in the bottom right hand corner we have three dots if you're on Android. So we're going to click that. Underneath we have the panel, the navigation panel that's just popped up. So we're going to click on the central one, which is Save Video. Next, last step really is to click WhatsApp. But we also have the option to share on Facebook, Twitter, and some others. So click on the WhatsApp icon, select the individual that you want to send your TikTok video to, and that's it. See you in the next video. Peace.